Welcome to this video where we learn about John Stuart Mill's Utilitarianism, focusing on chapter 1 and 2. Before we get into Mill's idea, let's take a quick look at the man himself. John Stuart Mill was a British philosopher, economist and thinker from the 1800s. He famous for standing up for individual freedom, women's right and education, but one of the most important contribution was to moral philosophy, especially the theory called utilitarianism. In this video, we will explore how Mills explained that the right things to do is whatever brings the greatest happiness to the greatest number of people. Mill began by saying that even after thousands of years, people still argue about what's right and wrong. Different philosophers have different opinion and there's no agreement. Mill say we need a clear rule, a basic idea that tells us what's right. He believed that rule is the greatest happiness principle. In simple words, an action is good if it brings happiness and bad if it brings pain. Here are the main things to remember. First, Mill does not trust unclear ideas like a moral instincts. Second one is he say we need one strong rule to judge all action, and the third one is the rule, and that rule is utility, means how much happiness something creates. For example, even people who does not believe in utilitarianism often use it without realizing because we naturally think about how action affect happiness. Now, Mill explained what utilitarianism really means. A lot of people get it wrong. Some think it's only about selfish pleasure, but that's not true. We'll say happiness means both getting pleasure and avoiding pain, and not all pleasure are equal. For example, pleasure of the mind like learning, creating or helping others are better than pleasure of the body like eating or sleeping. Mill gave us a cool example. He say it's better to be a sad human than a happy pig. Why? Because human can enjoy deeper, richer experience, pleasure of the brain and heart are worth more than just physical fun. So when we talk about happiness, we should think about both quality and quantity of pleasure. Mill also clear up some confusion, like some people think utilitarianism is selfish, but it's not. It tells us to care about everyone's happiness, not just our own. And others say there is no time to calculate happiness before doing something. Mill's reply, that's why we have laws, education, and habit to guide us. And finally, something it's not moral enough. But Mill say being kind, noble, and helpful are all part of utilitarianism. It's not about quick pleasure, it's about the best life for everyone.